Practice set 1.3. First example, the determinant is given 3, 4, 2, 5. As we have to find the value of this determinant, that is the cross multiplication between the terms 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4, which is equal to 3 into 5, 15, minus 2 4s are 8. So 15 minus 8, it is 7. So in the same way we have to solve the next examples. That is, this will be minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2, which is equal to minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 minus 7 into 2 minus 14, which is equal to minus 18. So in the next example, see here we have to, and these examples are asked only for 1 mark in the board exam. That is here we have to just cross multiply the given terms. So here in the next example, 5 into 0 minus 3 into minus 7, which is equal to 0 multiplied by any number is 0, minus into minus it will be plus, 7 3s are 21, 0 plus 21 is equal to 21. So in this way you have to solve the question 1 and question 2 in the practice set 1.3. Now we will get another example, last one example, that is the example which is in the form of a fraction. Seven upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So first of all, we all have when we see an example of a fraction, we always think that it is a very tough one, but this is not the case. So here the same procedure we have to take, that is cross multiply between these two, that is 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2, which is equal to multiplication of the numerators divided by the multiplication of the denominator, that is 7 into 1, 7, 3 2s are 6, minus 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. As the denominators are same, we have to just subtraction of the numerators, which is equal to 6, 7 minus 15, which is equal to 7 minus 15 is equal to minus 8 upon 6. We can give or we can simplify this, that is 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8, which is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So this is the value of the given determinant which is in the fraction form. So we'll stop here, and what you have to do is you have to solve the activity given in the textbook, that is the first example here, and also the activity given in the table.